Hi, it's Tyler, Real Estate Guy. I'm standing in front of a house that's almost 3,400 square feet total, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Not to mention, the builder's offering a crazy incentive that's going to drop your house payment by hundreds of dollars per month. Let's step inside. Okay, here we are from the outside, and let's get to it. All right, so you can see, you got the stairs going up right there, and you have an office right here, large office space, or use that for whatever you want. It's a flex room. Then off to the right here, you have your coat closet and half bathroom with a window. Okay, so off to the left here, you have the garage, and that's gonna take you down to the basement. We'll check that out in just a minute. And you can see, nice tall garage. You can easily put some shelving up here above. And turn around, coming in from the garage, you got the kitchen. You can see nice big island there. Okay, gas stove. Let's go ahead and swirl around here. You can see nice big window here, looking out to the backyard. White 42-inch upper cabinets. You've got a large pantry. You can see that, nice big corner pantry there. And you'll notice there's no refrigerator here, but the refrigerator is included with this builder. They include the washer, dryer, refrigerator, pretty much everything you're gonna need. And look how much space is there. So walking here through the dining area, we're gonna step into this back corner to show you the space from this direction. You can see it's got the TV hookups there. How big. This area is perfect for entertaining. Beautiful kitchen, I love the white cabinets. And then stepping out to the back, you can see they've got a little deck here. Probably put your grill out here, and nice sized backyard. That tarp marks the end of the home site. And then if you look over here, you can see there's plenty of green space and a jogging or walking trail just over there. And that's great because you don't have a house right behind you. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. Back towards the front door here. So again, you got that flex room right here. And up we go. Okay, so when you hit the top of the stairs here, you've got this loft area here, which is perfect for like a little kid's play area, or you can put the TV right here, anything like that. And then straight ahead is the master bedroom. We're gonna look at that last. So right here, you have bedroom number 1. And you got your closet right there. And then bedroom number 2. Once again, looking out to the backyard and that green space. And we have your bathroom here and the little window. I love having the extra windows in here and double sinks. That's an upgrade with most builders, pretty much all builders. You get that included in this house. Down the hallway here, you have a linen closet and bedroom number 3. So the master bedroom is the 4th bedroom. This one looks out to the front yard. And lastly, on the side of the house, you have your laundry area. Okay, let's go check out the master bedroom real quick. Okay, so you can see you got double windows here. Got your TV hookups right there. And this is a nice big room. Once again, I always like to point out some of those extra features. Makes it nice for plugging in and charging iPads and your cell phone and all that stuff. You can see double sinks right here. You have the can lights above, and then across from there, you have the shower with a nice window up there. Nice big linen closet here. Super important to have that in a master bedroom. When you don't have it, you'll notice it. Okay, then they put a big window here, which is awesome. And a nice big closet. You have your toilet area back over here. And once again, you got your double sinks here. Let's go ahead and go check out the basement. Okay, so once again, we come towards the front door here, past the flex space, and then past the garage and downstairs we go. Okay, so there's a couple important features to point out here right away. First of all, you got these extra tall ceilings down here. These are super tall. So when you finish the basement, it's not gonna feel short down here. You got your furnace right there. Let's step in this back corner. Once again, also you see the windows are partially out of the ground, which lets a lot of natural light in here, makes it not feel so dark. You can see you got your bathroom pre-plumbed there, and what is this? Look at that. You don't have a water heater here. You have instant hot water. How cool is that? And normally this would be a bedroom, and so you can do a bedroom or an extra office down here. Once again, your plumbing's there for a bathroom, and that's pretty much it. If you have questions or you'd like to tour this home, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at the number below. This floor plan is known as the Moab, and the builder actually has a model of this house, and it is beautiful. I recently did a full video tour of the model home located here in Eagle Mountain. So if you'd like to see how this house would look with furniture and decorations, you'll want to watch my full home tour video of the Moab. You'll find a link to that video in the description below. If you're unfamiliar with Eagle Mountain City, or you'd like to learn more about where Eagle Mountain is located, I recently drove through the entire town sharing the highlights as well as the layout of the city. You might want to watch my video, Everything You Need to Know About Eagle Mountain. Now, what about this crazy incentive? Right now, Meritage Homes is offering up to $65,000 in savings. They've dropped the prices of their homes, plus they're buying down your mortgage rate, giving you an unbelievably low monthly mortgage payment. Are you wondering if it's a good time to buy real estate? If so, you'll want to watch You Should Buy a Home Now due to this. And if you're moving here from another state, you should probably check out Watch This before you move to Utah. Look for my other recommended videos in the description below. If you're looking to buy, sell, build a home, or invest in Utah real estate, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to meet you, and I'm honored to serve you. For everyone else, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have a friend or a family member looking to build a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below, make you feel good.